So you're interested in getting a hearing test or meeting with me to explore your options and get my professional recommendations on what is best for your specific hearing problem. In this video, you'll find out exactly what you get in one of my no obligation consultations, and more importantly, how what we offer is unique and provides you with the best advice. You see, at Clinicare, we are completely independent from any hearing aid manufacturers, so we can give you unbiased advice. We're not here to sell you anything, we just want to give you enough information to make an informed decision about what is right for you. If you need hearing aids, there are literally hundreds of options available, and it's worth noting that the most expensive option is not always the most appropriate. At one of our hearing tests, we'll use our specialised equipment to assess your hearing and match this to a range of options we feel are appropriate for your situation. You might want an invisible aid that sits in the ear, or a discrete aid behind the ear. And we'll listen closely to you so we understand your goals and needs, as well as your budget. From there, we will then give you our professional recommendations as to what hearing loss solutions are appropriate to match your needs. You get to make your own decision and are in complete control of all of this. There is no high pressure selling because we are not a sales business. We are a professional audiology clinic giving specialist advice, and all we want is for you to get the solution that best suits your needs. Fill out the form on this page now or contact the clinic to book your no obligation consultation.